Is Instagram's new draw feature not showing up or not working for you? You're not alone. Many users are confused about why the new draw tool isn't appearing in their DMs. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step on both iPhone and Android. So the draw feature is a brand new option, which Instagram released recently. And in order to be able to use it and see it in your Instagram DMs, then the first thing which you need to do is to update your Instagram app from within the Google Play Store, and that's if you're an Android user, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. So I have Instagram opened in my App Store, and I have this little update button which I'm going to click on, and this step will essentially download and install the latest version of the Instagram application on my device. And this should get us the new draw tool once we update our app. But if you still don't see the tool, then don't worry because I have another little fix for you, so follow my steps and open the settings. After that, hop over to the General section. Once here, you're going to locate and open the iPhone storage option, which is going to show us a list of all the different apps which we have installed on our device. Our job is to find and open Instagram, and we have this offload app option which you're going to click on. This step is going to clear all the bugs, cache, and unnecessary data which your app may have, and these bugs and cache files can cause problems with your app, including the problem where the draw option is not showing or it's not working. After the application offloads, click on Reinstall App, and then wait a couple of minutes. This is going to force update the app to its latest version. It will essentially give it a refresh, and you should then see the draw option. If both of these steps didn't work, then this means that they didn't roll out the feature for your region just yet. Some features are available to some countries first, and other countries have to wait a bit more. So all you can do is to wait a couple more days or weeks, update the app regularly, and tell me in the comments down below if this worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.